Hi guys, today Group 6 will introduce about Filmora Night with your software developed by Wondershare with the aim of making user video editing more simple. So we come to the tutorial of it. When you launch Filmora, there will be three main sections on the screen. They are import, export toolbars, the timeline and the preview. There are 7 items in this bar. First, in Media, this allows you to upload the video that you want to edit to the app by clicking Import Media, then pick what you like from your video libraries. So second is audio. You can select the available audio or select the one you love by clicking Import Music. 3 is title, where you can extract to the video like subscription. When you select a title here to put on the timeline, you can turn it into preview and at the same time on the left screen, there will be a table where you can choose font and word colors. Next, the transitions, effects, and elements. Though here are the same like in PowerPoint. Next is split screen. It allows us to show multiple videos on one screen. And here the preview is to track how the final video after editing will be. And now we come to a timeline. You can drag the media with you through before to set here, and your option chosen show up on the toolbar, so you can edit them without affecting others. And the red line here is to move along parts of video. You can see there are two arrow marks to jump between step like in Word or Excel. Next is cycle pin icon to delete what you drew. And here cut divide the media into two parts separated by a red line. And the crop adjusts the video dimension. And the last, speed. Choose the playback speed that you want. Okay, so now you can rearrange the parts of the video like that. And after completing the video you want, you can save it by clicking export in the blue frame above the screen and save the video in your location you want. And on the screen we can see. Okay, thanks everyone for watching our videos.